All right, let's look at the metric system. In the metric system, we have the meter, the liter, the gram as our basic units. And these are their abbreviations. A lowercase m for meter, capital L for liter, and lowercase g for gram. And capitals and lowercase do make a difference when you're abbreviating, because the capitals can sometimes mean something else and vice versa. So you want to make sure that the L is capitalized as you abbreviate liter. Okay, and what are they measuring? The meter is measuring length, the liter is measuring capacity, and the gram is measuring mass. Mass is similar to measuring weight but different. Weight changes with gravity, mass does not. Mass is always the same whether you're on the earth or on the moon, because mass is measured with a balance system. Now let's look at the math of it all. Okay, if we multiply any one of these by 10, we would have a decameter, decaliter, decagram. If we multiply by 100, we'd have hectoliter, hectometer, hectogram. Multiply by 1,000, it'd be a kilometer, kiloliter, kilogram. Okay, now notice I've got 1/10 of a meter. That's the same thing as dividing by 10 when we multiply by 1/10. Multiplying by 1/100 is the same thing as dividing by 100. Multiplying by 1/1000th is the same thing as dividing by 1,000. Okay, so we have a decimeter, deciliter, decigram, or a centimeter, centiliter, centigram, or a millimeter, milliliter, milligram. 1,000 parts, 1,000 divisions. Okay, so how does that work out practically with math? Well, it's actually pretty simple. If you multiply by 10, you move the decimal place one spot to the right. You multiply by 100, move it 2 places to the right, and by the way, fill in with zeros your movements. And then if you multiply by 1,000, 1, 2, 3 places to the right, fill in the movements with 0. Okay, so the opposite is true if you divide, or multiply by 1/10, multiply by 1/100. So if we divide by 10, we move it 1 place to the left. Divide by 100, 2 places to the left. Divide by 1,000, 1, 2, 3 places to the left. And notice as I move my decimal, I put a 0 in front of the decimal just to indicate to the reader this is a decimal. Okay, notice the decimal. That's what that 0 in front kind of does, is it alerts the reader that they have a decimal. Okay, so let's look at some practical examples. If we times 2.356 by 10, and the decimal place was originally here, we would move it 1 spot to the right and change our decimal to this place. So we'd actually have 23.56. Okay, if we start out with our decimal here and we divide by 100, we're going to move 2 places to the left. And we're going to put our decimal right here and add that 0 in the front and fill in that 0 here. Okay, this one, if we multiply by 100, it's right here. So multiplying by 100 is 2 places this way. Fill in our 0, put our new decimal here, so it goes here, and it changes our number by 2 place values. Divide by 100. Divide by 100, remember, is 2 places to the left, and fill in our decimal. And so anyway, the system of tens, or the metric system, is pretty easy to figure out. The hardest part is just remembering the names, and that just takes memorization. So hopefully you can use this information to work your problems today. Thank you. Bye.